A week ago last Saturday at Cave City Cars and Coffee, there was a picker there from Walk Through Time Antiques in Horse Cave, and he just happened to have this bump and go Volkswagen Beetle. Now, didn't have a chance to try it. Figured, electronics probably shot, but you never know. Battery compartment looked good, but this is a really unusual one. It has a see-through hood, and the parts in the motor turn. This is just amazing. Now, I had to do a few things to it. The headlights come on, but although there are tail light lenses, there are no tail lights. So I'm going to look at some time here in the future. I've got some bulbs coming, and I'm going to take this all apart. I'm going to buff all this, and I'm going to paint it silver along with the door handles and the trim. I'm not going to do a complete total restore, but I'm going to try to clean it up and make it look presentable. So anyways, this thing is really neat, and I'm going to show you. You can actually see the pistons turning back and forth, and the headlights glow. So anyways, I'm going to pull this body off and show you what I've done. All I had to do to this car was I added this 5-volt regulator to it and flip it over, and I just got a little... It's a push-push switch right here. Run the wires into the battery compartment. Instead of those 3 big D-cell batteries, I just got a small lithium polymer battery. Don't need all that much power and all that much weight. So, yeah, you plug this all in, and it works great. Okay, we'll see if this thing goes on the shop floor. Yep, it works. That's crazy. Look at that motor. That's crazy.